Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Nell's Unboxing World.
Miniverse Make It Mini Food Series 2, the Cafe Series. I can't tell what that is on the front. Looks like popcorn. And there's the collector's guide. Let's look at it. There's a grape soda, petit fours, orange soda, cherry slushy. The first petit fours are vanilla. Chocolate raspberry petit fours, classic macaroons, blue raspberry slushy, creamsicle float, royal macaroons, chocolate dipped strawberries, a root beer float, cherry vanilla float, white chocolate dipped strawberries, chocolate churros, soups, macaroni and cheese, birthday churros, a hot dog with mustard. I hope I get that one. Unicorn popcorn, caramel popcorn, hot dog with ketchup, yellow corn nachos, and pretzels or blue corn nachos. I am super excited about these. And let's see which one we get today. There's no table in this one. Looks like we got the grape soda. And the next bag contains ice. Brr. So cold. And the next is our cup. How cute. I love those cups. And our straw. Let's see. This is our grape soda. Don't drink it. It's not food. Gonna open that up and put the top off of our cup. And it shows, let's dump some grape soda in here first. And our cute little bread tie again. Look at those little ice cubes. How cute are they? I love making these. They're so much fun. I'll put some in, and I'm going to use a toothpick to push it down so that it gets into the drink. It makes the drink cold. I'm just going to put the lid on just to center the straw because I'm going to put it under the light for a minute. I'm going to put a few more cubes in. Just a little bit more of this to kind of keep the cubes stuck together. I think this is all the resin that I'm gonna get out of there, guys. Just a little bit more to kind of hold that ice down. The lid on. Back under the light. And there's our grape soda. See the ice very well, but it's down in the cup. How cute are these, you guys? And ball number 2. Let's see what we get in this one. Sprinkles! Woohoo! Blue sprinkles. And we have a glaze. It's not food, so don't eat it. Our utensil bag. We have a spoon. A little squishy. It's popcorn! Snacky Snacks Company. And last but not least, looks like our bowl. It's our bowl. Looks like we got the unicorn popcorn. That's what we got. The unicorn popcorn. Let's open up our glaze. This one looks like a proper squeeze bottle now. And got a popcorn. And the directions show to dump it all in at the glaze. And then this sprinkle. Add our glaze in. Ooh. I'm going to use a toothpick to stir it up. This one's a little bit messy, guys. I'll make it through though. If I'm not making a mess, I'm not happy. That under the light for a minute. How cute is this little spoon? Now just a little bit more popcorn. Some of the pink ones. And some more sprinkles. Everything needs sprinkles. There's our unicorn popcorn to go along with our grape soda. That looks so good. I love the pink and the blue and the white. And the pink glaze, of course. Pink's my favorite color.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and have a great day.